Can you calculate how many pencils are there in this picture? 5 sets are there, and 10 pencils are there in each set. So we need to add 10 5 times. Remember, we use multiplication for repeated addition problems. So, instead of adding 10 5 times, we can multiply 10 with 5. So there are 50 pencils in the picture. Isn't it easier? Let's take one more example. Can you calculate how many eggs are there in this picture? 3 trays are there, and each tray has 8 eggs. So we need to add 8 3 times. Remember, we use multiplication for repeated addition problems. So, instead of adding 8 3 times, we can multiply 8 with 3. So we get 24. So, there are 24 eggs in the picture. Isn't it easier? So, let's take one more example. There are 5 apples in one basket. Then 4 baskets will have how many apples? You need to add 5 4 times here. And you now know you can write repeated addition in the form of multiplication sentence. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 can be written as 5 times 4. And we can easily solve it, as 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. So, 20 apples will be there in 4 baskets.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!